So in my latest video, the goal was to experiment with the new space plugin I bought for Unreal Engine called Space Creator Pro. It's amazing at getting space environments up and running really quickly, so I thought I'd make a little walkthrough breaking down the process, in case anybody happened to be interested in making something similar. To start, after importing Space Creator Pro to the Unreal Engine project file, create a new scene. Then, add a sky sphere object. This can be found in the engine folder within the content browser, so make sure that's enabled and viewable. Set the scale to 1000 and be sure to disable collisions. With that set up, we can now swap out the materials element for one of the many skyboxes as provided with Space Creator Pro. If you wish, you can also open up the material instances for the skyboxes and tweak the color values from there. Now to fix the skybox light levels, add a post-process volume and set the bounds to infinite extent. Then go to the exposure tab and adjust the min EV100 and max EV100 values. These settings are what will help define the minimum and maximum brightness for our space scenes, so set the min setting to 0 and the max to 0. This will keep things nice and even for today's purpose. With the skybox all set up, we can now get started on the planets and stars. Space Creator Pro has made this part of the process really easy with their pre-made blueprints, so I just simply drag and drop my desired planet or star and would then start tweaking away from there based on the parameters made available to me. From here I'd create a new cine camera actor and would try to find cool looking angles while flying around in the first person perspective. After settling on a handful of different angles, it's then time to import and animate the character model. Now, since this was a short about a frozen astronaut's body floating through the depths of space endlessly, I started by importing my pre-rigged astronaut model from Big Medium Small's Astronova kit and started from there. Each scene, if you will, would have its own wide shot of the astronaut floating by, so after posing the character, I'd animate the astronaut's position along the path. In an attempt of making things feel massive in scale, I also animated the planet rotating in the opposite direction, combined with making the astronaut microscopically tiny. Along with being presented in a 240:1 aspect ratio, this hopefully made things feel colossal in scale. With all that being said, there really isn't too much to it, as MakeMake has streamlined the space creation process with their blueprints. It's just a matter of making enough shots, 18 in this particular instance, and then editing it all together combined with a little ambient track that I whipped up in Ableton Live. It should also be noted that everything was also exported from Unreal Engine in real time with screen capturing via OBS. I've been enjoying testing Unreal's real-time rendering capabilities and figured this would be the perfect project to continue testing such a thing out, especially as I love the speed at which I'm able to iterate in contrast to an offline rendering approach. If you'd be interested in more thorough breakdowns of my past projects, be sure to check out my playlist of past tutorials and walkthroughs. Also, be sure to check out the documentation on MakeMake's YouTube channel for a more thorough breakdown of all of their blueprints and tools. If you have any questions or suggestions on how to improve things, be sure to let me know in the comments section below. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all my future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.